Welcome back. This is another wee Sunday run, just to shake the cobwebs off. Just take a wee run into Germany just for the fun. Take a look at that river. It's no bad weather. 12.5 degrees. Bloody windy. Need to see what this night sounds like then. Well, this is us approaching the German border. I've just joined the queue. See if we get stopped at the border. Now this is an example where Europe's changing. You used to be able to just drive through here without even slowing down actually, and now they've got border controls. I understand it, but it goes against the, what do you think? Now there's the board. Duitsland, Bundesrepublik Duitsland. Sex club, if anybody's interested. But there's not another one. Casa Rosa. Take a look at the petrol prices, because all the Dutch come out here across the border into Germany to fill up, because the petrol prices in Holland are astronomical compared to Belgium and Germany. Aldi's, they're everywhere, aren't they? Of course we're in Germany, so it's logical that you see an Aldi, but they are everywhere. Now this is us going over the Rhine again. The Rhine goes right through Holland, right through Germany, and I believe up into Switzerland. That's why there's a lot of cities built on the side of the Rhine, because you can see how big it is. A lot of freight goes through there.